Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can do face swap by using Canva. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on Canva app and I have blank canvas here. So first upload your original photo. Okay, you can upload from here. Okay, you need to both photo on your device. Okay, then upload here original photo. Okay, I just use the photo from Canva only because I don't have two photos. Okay, so this is my original photo. Just put the photo which you want to change the face. Okay, and now select that image, go to the app and search for reface. Here the reface app, just open it. Okay, select that image, it is already selected. Okay, we just need to start over because I already done something. Okay, now here you need to select that image, original image, and use this image. Okay, so its image has been used. Now I want to upload that photo which want to face swap to this original image. Okay, and go to the upload and select that photo or images. Now close. Now this face will be swapped to the this original image. Now click on swap face. Okay, it's working. It can take few moments. Okay guys, so now we are ready. This face swap has been done. Now you can choose the original photo and the face swap photo. Now you can add the design. This design will be added. You can delete original one. You can see this face has been swapped. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.